What's up, guys? This is Jason, creator of IdolCam. Today, another episode of the little Aussie car back there. Didn't give up on the last car. I'm still working on it, but I did quite a few modifications. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Yeah, so today I did this modification here. Here's the little rubber ball from my drone dampening plate. So these are for drone dampening. Then I have a 4th axis dampening. Then I have this high frequency dampening system. So we have 3 stage now, which is quite a bit, but I'm hoping to get better footage this time. And then what we also did is we have added a quick release here, so you could quickly unlock this whole arm and you could drive this car like normally for fun, and then when you need to film, then you just pop it in. It takes only 1 second. And we also added another one here, so you could take off the camera or put it on there quickly, so it will be a lot more fun. Instead of, you know, just a car cam, you could actually drive this for fun, and you could tell the wife that, hey, this is for work, and then on the weekend you could take it out and just drive it for fun. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to take the arms off. 1 second. That's it. And today I also added this little camera in the back. I just want to film here and then also get an idea of how good the footage without these dampening systems. So just want to do a comparison and also want to see what's another angle and then what is going on in this area when the car's driving. So let's get some footage.